Shalom. Good afternoon. We meet again in our devotional remarks, Lord, reflections. Today, the memory text found in Psalm 37, verse 5. It says, "Commit your way to the Lord. Trust Him, and He will do this." Life constant tug of war between self-importance and trusting in God is easy. To get caught in our own ambition, rushing into decision without proper prayer and reflection, we often face serious problem. And it is tempting to rely our own strength and cleverness. But the text warns us that all of this will bring us in the traps. We should seek the wisdom of God, make a decision prayerfully, and trust Him in all the guidance of Him. Through our life challenges, even when it seems impossible. This reflection, the passage talks about the importance of surrendering your life to God and trust Him to act. It warns against the dangers of self-importance, ambitions. It says that focusing too much yourself can ruin your relationship with God. We are told to avoid making big decisions without carefully thought and a prayer, to recognize that even the best laid plans can go wrong. It takes emphasizes that God's strength is still available to us, but we must use it humbly and according His will, not our own selfishness desires. At the end, the message is one: faith, humility, reliance on God, guidance rather than our ambition. Why? Because ambition reduces your faith, spiritual life. Because ambition, cleverness make you falter. Laziness is evil, but when life has a principle and a justice is to be respectful, then it will bring success. Testimony, Volume 5, page 419. May God bless you this afternoon, and Shalom.